A named query that sets an exclusive pessimistic on the entities returned by the query by setting the named query lock mode element to lock mode type.pessimistic_force_increment. The application starts transaction and executes the query. Which of the following statements is correct about the entities returned by the query? Option A. Only the current transition may modify or delete the entity instances. Option B. The current transaction may not modify or delete the entity instances. Option C. Other concurrent transactions may modify or delete the entity instances. Option D. Other concurrent transactions may modify but may not delete the entity instances. The correct answer is option C. An application uses optimistic locking by defining version attributes in its entity classes. The application performs a bulk update of the entities using a JPQL query. Which of the following is correct? Option A. The persistence provider will ensure that the version value in each table is updated. Option B. The persistence provider will create a new transaction for the bulk update. Option C. An optimistic lock exception will be thrown by the persistence provider. Option D. The value of the version attributes of the updated entitles should also be explicitly updated by the query. The correct answer is option A. A developer wants to create a Java persistence query that will include a subquery. Which three are true? Choose 3. Option A. Subqueries can be used in a from clause. Option B. Subqueries can be used in a where clause. Option C. The any expression can be used only with a subquery. Option D. The exists expression can be used only with a subquery. Option E. The member expression can be used only with a subquery. The correct answer is option B, C, D. Which statement is correct about the Java Persistence API support for the SQL queries? Option A. SQL queries are not allowed to use parameters. Option B. The result of an SQL query is not limited to entities. Option C. Only select SQL queries are required to be supported. Option D. SQL queries are expected to be portable across databases. The correct answer is option B,